Giravi. Look at this. Baby, how did you know I have a glass here of some? Wow. Thank you so much, Glee Nairobi. I love you. Oh my gosh. Thank you to my friends, guys. Hello. Oh, look at this, honey. My laptop folder. Need a laptop, Adwa guy. Thank you, Glee Nairobi. It's a service bag. Sorry. Hey, ni manegari kama tumagiro tu iheyo. Come here next online. Oh. Jerry Kimani. Jerry Kimani. Hi. Oh. Thank you. My friend Jerry Kimani. Wakule rewards. Unajua uko Kajiado. Rewards. Oh, thank you. Oh my. Look at this. Jehovah Jireh. Wewe team. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Yeah. Sorry, Merry Christmas. Onadaga shia ko inuka aratakwa. Nimake chikirio agato. Thank you, Jerry Kimani. Leroy. Thank you. Merry Christmas, baby girl. Much love. Who's next? Come here. Office of the... Oh my. Oh, stop. Oh my God. How do you open? Okay. Oh my gosh. Merry Christmas. Happy New Year. Oh guys. Simon. Oh, my client Jack Daniels. What's up? Oh, what a notebook. Ninaitwa lini na ministers waniambia wamefanyia wanaiti kazi lini. Thank you, Jack Daniels. You know I'm the ambassador. Hello. Hi, Maroko. Thank you for the gift, JD. It's an international brand. Sorry, I didn't mention. Oh, thank you, Jack Daniels. All the way from Tennessee. Oh, stop. Oh. Guys. Oh, nice. Oh, I love. Omaida ulijua ninaimbanga studio. Thank you, Quick Mart Supermarkets, for the gifts. Oh, wow. What else is here? Oh, Quick Mart. Chigai dako. Nini down, no kidele. Jesus. You can never forget that. Quick Mart. Adrian, here you are. Stop it. Some dates. Dates. Very nice na shukari. Na pressure. Surely. Thank you so much, Quick Mart Supermarkets Kenya. Okay. Yani mimi nimeokoka na tu marafiki wangu wananunulia Patrick bata ya kasi. Yema menye. Happy Boxing Day, guys. Happy New Year. See, we are not lucky kwenda Ocha. Oh, thank you, Quick Mart niliwaambia. Come here, Anna from Qatar. Sasa hii ni ile soko. Unajuanga soko? Soko mlikuwa mnasema Glee. Oh, nice. Anma Wangari from JW Marriott, Qatar. Mwadi ko muka kwa maga muka washio. This is serious. It's getting serious. Oh, thank you. It's Boxing Day. Oh my. Toto neto agotisha gadeba na Stacy. Nigakona remboyo. Tohota te komuinera. Gadeba ni muhikulira box. Kikashe kwe mudo tumire kanyama mokoronete korea. Oh, haya. Oh, niamenyire swaki hakuna. Oh, that berero. Thank you, Bath and Body Works. Dark amber oud. You can get it away. Hello, guys. Oh my God, this is serious. Oh my God, how did they know I love perfumes? Look at this. My photographer. Oh, floss. Kanyama, hidrale kanyama unadate kilo. Oh, there's something here for Viking. Hold on there. Oh, happy Boxing Day, guys. Thank you, my good friends. Oh, look at this. We need some private friends. Seriously. Oh, thank you. Jackie Warire finally amefikiwa. And Jackie Warire, thank you. A special friend, a special gentleman. Oh my God, diaspora fans, nothing gonna do that. This is so nice. Thank you so much, Hannah Juma. Guy. Giving is giving to everybody. Dashan Gabana, thank you so much. All the way from London. Super. Thank you, my darling friends. Wengine wameniambia ni wa mute. Nitaweka kwa caption. Oh, these were two. Oh, twins. Oh, Jehovah. Wait, man. Kai karauri. Eta wate ore wendagia maguta ndimunengere mamwendie. Oh, wa evangelist wa Gotiri. Praise the Lord. Karauri maya maro ima atea. Emaya ma Gado. Emaya Magli. Sorry. Hi guys. It's been real. Oh, hiya Tom Ford. Tobacco. Vanilla. Thank you so much, my dear friends. I have good friends, And also to my haters, Poleni. Oh, healthy amjachana na mimi. College 2025 loading. Healthy you. Nema menye omode. Whistle, mungeniletea whistle. We must keep it fit. Thank you. I'm going to address the nation later. It's been real. Soccer moms. All the way from Nyadarua. Wange collection, thank you. All the way from Mayolo. Sorry, nilikuwa nimeunpack before. Na bangles. It's quite 2 o'clock. Dressed by the one and only Jackie Warire. Sisema ni ya mtumba. Hata ya kani ya mtumba ni poa. Lakini nikaa alikuwa ameiva. See you guys. Happy Boxing Day. See you New Year's. Kule Murang'a County, Norcross Riverline.